Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Killer Bean crowned Red Bull Dance Your Style 2025 Jamaica champion, set to represent the island at World Finals in Los Angeles.
Finally, I can hold a trophy and say, I did it.
A proud moment for Tevin Killer Bean Shaw, who moonwalked his way to the 2025 title as Red Bull Dance Your Style Jamaica champion. On Saturday, Jamaica's dance culture took center stage on the lawns of Devon House, where 16 of the island's fiercest dancers, selected by renowned dancer and choreographer Latonya Styles, went head-to-head in one-on-one freestyle battles. With no formal judging panel, competitors relied on the crowd's vote to advance. Each dancer brought their own style and energy, but the final saw Killer Bean face off against Tristan Doe in a thrilling showdown. The 33-year-old claimed the win. Speaking with E Prime, Shaw recalled the moment he was announced as the 2025 Jamaica champion.
Thank God, because I deserve it, I work really hard towards it. I practice. I pray to God. I still can't believe, but it's a pleasure.
He added that the victory is a testament to his hard work and determination.
All my life I dance, I don't see, and now I see something. I can look at it at morning time. I can brag with it and talk. So, my new wife. I'm just gonna continue working hard, believe in the goals, believe in my dream, and always do it for my son.
Shaw will now represent Jamaica at the Red Bull Dance Your Style World Final in Los Angeles on October 11, competing against dancers from more than 30 countries.
We're not frightened for nobody. Somebody. Trust me, everybody have talent. But see, Mr. Walker thinks everybody can dance when everybody a dancer. You have to understand the difference. You have to love it. You have to bond with it. It's not something you just get up and you practice and you catch it. It's natural, And if you can just come and dance and move somebody's soul with your dancing, trust me, you meant to dance, you're born to dance, right?
Host and dancer as well as choreographer Latonya Style offered this piece of advice ahead of the World Championship.
I'll just tell them to prepare. Come out strong, represent your country with your heart and your soul. Dance with vibe, energy, musicality, all the above, and then you'll take home the crown.
She also shared her hope that the World Finals will one day be hosted in Jamaica.
Jamaica is a hot spot in the world. We're little but with Talawa, so Red Bull Dancer Style have to be hosted in Jamaica someday soon.
Now on the international scene, a movie about legendary basketball player Kobe Bryant is in the works, titled With the Eighth Pick. The movie will focus on Bryant's journey to the NBA that began with his 1996 draft. At the time, the New Jersey Nets held the eighth pick in the draft and considered taking Bryant, but he was still in high school. Instead, Bryant's stock dropped a bit and the Charlotte Hornets drafted him with the 13th pick and then traded him to the Los Angeles Lakers. Bryant won 5 titles with LA and is considered one of the greatest players in league history. He died in a helicopter crash in 2020 along with his daughter Gianna. Bryant was just 41 years old. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.